Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some green pressed fried plantain Jamaican style. So here I have two plantains which I have already washed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to my hands, and this will prevent my hands from getting stained. Next we're gonna go ahead and peel our plantains. So I'm gonna cut the both ends. Then I'm going to put a slice in the back of the plantain or in the middle. Yes, it's easy to follow, just like what I'm doing here. And then we're going to peel. So now it's time to cut our plantains, and this is the way I usually cut them, diagonal. You don't have to cut them this way, but this is my way. And you want to ensure that your slices are not too thin. For this recipe, your plantains must be on the thicker side. So in a pot with some hot oil there, I went in with our plantains, and we're gonna fry for a minute and a half on each side. And in a total of 3 minutes, we're now going to remove them. And at this point, you don't want them to be fully fried because we're going to double fry them. So now it's time to get our plantains pressed, and I'm going old school way. I'm using the skin of the plantain. Yes, I should tell you not to discard the skin. But you also have a gadget on Amazon which you can order. Yes, but I don't have that. Or I can show you this other way where you can press your plantains. Use a piece of file paper, put your plantains in, cover and press. But use a kitchen towel or paper towel to press because the heat will come through the foil and burn you. So now that we have all our plantains pressed, now it's time to add some salt. So just sprinkle some salt on both sides, and then we're gonna go ahead and double fry. So now it's time to double fry our plantains. So we're gonna fry them until they're golden brown, which usually takes from a minute to a minute and a half, or until you have your desired color. And you want to flip them halfway through, yes, ensuring that they're evenly brown on each side. So after you have your desired color, you want to now go ahead and remove them. And this is the final product of our green pressed fried plantains. Simple, delicious. Guys, you can have it like that, which I'm doing today, or you can go ahead and serve it with some ackee and saltfish, some callaloo, some steamed cabbage, some tin mackerel. The options are endless. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to share with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe for some more awesome recipes. And remember also to follow me on Facebook, on Instagram. Guys, I really do appreciate your support. Thank you all so much for your support. And that's it, guys. Enjoy the recipe. See you in another one. Bye for now.